Welcome to this session on CI/CD integration and test automation maintenance, essential practices for keeping your test automation fast, reliable, and scalable in modern development pipelines. Let's begin with CI/CD integration. Continuous integration and continuous delivery deployment CD are practices that automate the building, testing, and deployment of software. Integrating your automated tests into this workflow means you get rapid feedback every time code is pushed. Popular CI/CD tools include Jenkins, GitHub Actions, GitLabs, Azure DevOps. CircleCI? Here's how test automation fits into CI/CD. Automated tests run on every code commit or pull request. Test results are logged and published automatically. Failures stop the pipeline to prevent buggy code from reaching production. To integrate tests into CI/CD, use scripts or config files like Jenkins files or YAML to define test steps. Run unit tests early, followed by API and UI tests. Parallelize test execution to speed up feedback. Send notifications to Slack, Teams, or email with test outcomes. Now let's shift to test automation maintenance, a critical, often overlooked aspect of automation. Automated tests are code. Like all code, they require care to stay reliable. Without maintenance, tests become flaky, slow, or irrelevant, eroding confidence in your test suite. Key maintenance practices: refactor regularly, clean up redundant code, apply dry principles, and update outdated logic. Review test failures. Investigate failures promptly. Fix the test or the app, but don't ignore. Update locators and APIs. UI and backend changes often break tests. Keep your scripts in sync. Version control everything. Scripts, data, configs. Track them like you would production code. Retire obsolete tests. Remove tests that no longer serve a purpose or overlap with others. Also, establish ownership. Assign a team or individual responsible for maintaining specific test suites. Add metrics to monitor automation health. Pass-fail trends. Test execution time. Flaky test rate. Code coverage for automated tests. Best practices. Automate test results reporting. Use tags or categories to manage test sets. Separate smoke, regression, and feature tests for selective execution. Periodically review test coverage and gaps. In summary, CI/CD integration ensures tests run continuously and reliably. Test maintenance ensures those tests remain accurate and useful. Together, they support agile delivery and long-term quality at scale. In our next session, we'll cover CSTE exam strategies, preparation tips, and how to confidently approach the certification. Let's finish strong.